ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಅವರೇ, ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕ್ಕದ್ರಿನಿಂದ ಇರುವಾಗ ಈಗ ತನಕದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ಡ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ enthusiastic children asking lot of questions. I think you may have to speak for some more time because ಹಾಡೋರು ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾತಾಡಬಾರದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇರೋದೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮನೇಲೆ ಇದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೋರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೊರಗೆ ತರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈ ತರದ ಕೆಲವು ಕಾಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. Mrs. Meeta will coordinate and she will ask the questions and you can answer to them. Okay, thank you so much.
Meeta, you're not audible. Meeta, you're not audible. No. 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 Remove the earphones. Disconnect.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah,
Yes.
I can hear you.
Nandini?
Yes, we
Yes.
can hear you. We can hear
We
you.
can hear you clear.
Go ahead, Meeta. You can read the questions.
Nandini, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you. I think you cannot hear me. Okay, it's okay. I'll take over. I think Meeta is having some technical problem. We have a question from a young participant, Krishna Prasad. When I practice, I'll be knowing the whole lyrics of the song, but when I get onto the stage, I forget the lyrics suddenly. How to overcome this, sir?
You're asking a wrong person again.
Yeah, sir has already told that how he has some tricks where he holds, writes it on.
Lot of tricks actually. As I told, it is not advisable, but you'll have to write it on like the words which you regularly miss. You can write down somewhere on your hand. And the main thing is, I think you have to keep listening to the song. ತುಂಬಾ ಹಾಡು ಕೇಳಿ, ಆ ಹಾಡನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir.
ಸೊ ನೀವು ಲಿರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಡುವಾಗ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಲಿರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲಿರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಮರೀದ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ you will stop forgetting the lyrics.
The next question, sir. Thank you. Sir, while singing in high pitch, how to sing along with Shruti?
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೋ ಪಿಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಶ್ರುತಿಲಿ ಹಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಲೋ ಪಿಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಶ್ರುತಿಲಿ ಹಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೈ ಪಿಚ್ ತಾನಾಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹೈ ಪಿಚ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಲೋ ಪಿಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಯುವರ್ ಶ್ರುತಿ. ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟೇವ್ಸ್, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಆಕ್ಟೇವ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೀವು ಹಾಡೋದು. ಈಗ ಸ ಪ ಸ ಪ ಸ ಸ. So that is, it is same as sa pa sa, ade same octaves. So if you try to match that sa, the low sa with the shruti, it will automatically come. Then the high pitch you have hadudu adu practice ಮಾಡಿ.
Okay. So next question, how to sing up with karaoke? I miss my pitch sometimes while singing with karaoke. How to overcome this, sir? Sharanya ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
It's very easy actually, because you can change the pitch of karaoke itself. Karaoke pitch change ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು. there are a lot of softwares. You don't have to struggle. Too many Google too many software ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. So you can change the pitch of karaoke. You can even change the tempo of karaoke. But not advisable. Maybe ಈಗ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ 8 to 16-year-old children. So in voice ಇನ್ನೂ full mature ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So don't worry about it. Slowly with practice and with age, the voice will reach there.
Okay. The next question is from Shena Gonzalez. Why is standing preferred while singing?
Standing preferred ante ಏನು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Actually, most of the classical singers ಕಚೇರಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಗಂಟೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. So I think so standing there is no rule book where it says standing is preferred. Light music definitely ನಾವು standing ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ because maybe stage presence or crowd ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ interaction and everything. I prefer standing because I am a light music singer. Because for me, I think ನನಗೆ better breath control ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ standing than sitting.
Prapti Hegde asks, sir, how can we avoid breaking of voice?
Breaking, you mean breaking of voice while reaching
Singing, yeah, well, I think, yeah, while reaching a high pitch, because everybody appreciates how high you sing and your pitch is too good.
Other trick ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, see, okay, some people have natural ability to reach that high pitch. Some people don't. For example, Vijay Prakash had ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Frankly speaking, sir ಗೆ had a medium range, but he used to sing all high pitch songs because he was able to sing in false voice in certain in very high pitch hodaga he used to slightly ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ vary his voice and go over to the false voice, which is very actually ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ಹಾಡಬಾರ್ದು false voice ಎಲ್ಲ, but if it is very high ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ false voice ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ ಹಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, so that becomes, it is my normal voice. That is false voice. So ನಾನು ಅದು false voice ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬಾರ್ದು, but I think with practice I think you can do it even if your range is not that high.
Next question, sir. Connection.
Yes.
Doctor, there's a request from many of the participants. They want to hear you sing an English song.
I don't know why they're asking English song. I started this song, okay, my accent is not very good, so I don't know. Really, you want me to sing now?
Many of them have written in the chat box, sir, please sing an English song.
I'll finish off the doubts and then I'll sing.
Yes, sure.
Sir, what type of songs we have to choose for auditions of reality shows? This is a question from Adhya Puranik.
So this is a very good question. I think choose a song which shows your talent in very short time. So that is very important. And your talent, for example, my talent was high pitch. My talent was range, high pitch, and voice, and modulation. So I used to choose a song. For example, ನಾನು Indian Idol ಹೋದಾಗ I had only 30 seconds to show my talent. So our song, I chose this song. Like for example, मेरा रंग दे. So this is one of the song which showed my modulation, my pitch, my voice within 5 seconds. So that is my strength. So choose a song which shows your strength. For example, if your strength is high pitch, choose a song where there is high pitch in Pallavi itself. Pallavi only there is high pitch. Or if your strength is bass voice, choose a song which has a bass voice. So choosing a song, it's that's very nice.
Okay. There's one more question from Krishna Prasad. Sir, how did you improve your voice? So did you do any voice exercises or any kashaya or any gargling? You do practice every day. Do you have a routine? And do you eat ice creams or cold? Because we hear that singers don't usually like avoid these things.
Voice exercises, there are a lot of voice exercises like that was taught for us in Saregama. So the voice exercises are very simple. Like so we were taught like how to. It is like there is a before singing, you have to. There is one thread on your mouth, and you're just there is a volume control in your angle of your mouth, and you're just controlling this. Right? So this is small things God dares to teach us, but I don't know whether it was helping me too much. But coming to ice cream, and many people tell that don't eat oily stuff and don't eat ice cream. So being a doctor, I can tell you why they say that, because for me personally, if I have a show, I don't eat ice cream. I don't, because it affects my voice a lot, because ice cream increases my secretions and I can't sing high pitch. So oily food, they say it affects your voice because by eating oily food, your gastric emptying reduces, because there will be you will there are tendency for regurgitation. You start regurgitating. So what happens is when singing, you might regurgitate and it might affect your singing. So for me personally, I avoid ice cream, which is not good for me. I never touched ice cream when I was in Saregama. For half a year, I didn't touch ice cream. So it is very subjective.
Okay. Okay. Dhanyata, she has a question for you, sir. Can we sing melodies without going to singing class and by practicing ourselves?
You can. There is nothing like you can't sing. You definitely can sing melodies, but singing it very professionally, I think, requires a little bit of classical training. I think melody you can sing. It's not a big, but even in melody, there are small gamakas. There are certain harkats, I think, which you can sing better if you have some training. For example, I sang Neera Bittu Nelada Mele of SPB sir. So in that, in Charana, there is Lokadalli Gandu Hennigasare Adarelli Nanu Ninna Kaisare. So these are small things. I think if you don't go to classical, if you don't have the training, you might just sing hey. So all these small things matters in reality shows, because you will be judged on that gamakas and that small things, on not only voice.
Yes. Sanvi A. Bailey wants to know from you, sir, how to sing fast songs.
Fast songs, a lot of energy, energy and passion. I think you have to enjoy the song when singing. That's very important, I think. And when you in a show, you have to involve the crowd, be open, be happy about it. Don't sing a fast song just standing like that. I feel you should have some
move your body, yeah, some energy.
Don't move too much, but enough to keep crowd interested and you interested. So that is very important. That josh and passion of the song.
Moina de Souza wants to know, sir, how to warm up our vocal voice. Warm up. Yes.
Warm up, as I think the same question was asked before. What I used to do, what we were advised, was to drink very hot water. I used to take a flask of hot water everywhere. Even now I take, whenever I remember, I forget every time. So I always take a flask of hot water, and hot water used to help me a lot before singing. It gives, I think it used to refresh my voice a lot.
Satvik has a question, clinical question for you. Sir, I'm having thyroid problem. Can I sing? I'm 9 years old. So a consultation.
There is actually thyroid problem depends on what type of thyroid problem you have. Thyroid problem, the problem is it can cause hoarseness of voice. So maybe you'll have to show the surgeon or your family doctor for that. But be aware of that because thyroid can cause some hoarseness of voice. So be aware of that. So with that also you can sing because I remember one of the finalists of Saregama, she was Sadhmini Koppa. I don't know whether many people might be knowing. Sadhmini Koppa, she was having singer's nodule. Okay, so singer's nodule is very common in teachers actually. It is not very common in teachers. So she had a huge problem with range. She struggled with range. She never had range. She was almost going to get eliminated actually in first 4, 3, 4, 5 rounds. But slowly she knew her pitch. That is very important. Know your pitch before singing. Don't always go with the original pitch of the song, of the movie song. You can maybe with your thyroid problem, you might be having some hoarseness of voice. Don't worry. Choose a song, choose a pitch which will be easier for you to sing. So when you're choosing a pitch and a song, make sure that you sing the song in your brain first, because most of the time you start a song with a pitch. Say you start with C or C sharp or D. But in the charana, there will be one line which will reach G or G sharp. So make sure that when you're choosing a pitch, you first sing that line of that charana. Choose that high pitch, that high pitch, choose a pitch where you can sing that line. Then tell the musicians that I'll sing in this pitch and you can sing. So it's not necessary that you have to sing in the original movie pitch.
There are a lot more questions coming up, sir. I hope you're not pressed for time. I'll just take a few more and then we'll wind up. So Amrita has a question. How to overcome tiredness in voice while singing for a long time?
I think breathing is very important. That is one of the most important thing which we singers should realize. Breathing, simple breathing, like even between the songs, is very, very important. The breath control is very important for a singer. So I think that help you. It won't cause too much of voice strain. Plus drinking water, enough of water, hot water. It will keep your vocals relaxed. So keep breathing well. Take deep breaths even between two songs. Like you're giving a show, take deep breaths. Drink hot water. It will be enough.
Yavi Jayan has a question. Sir, is it important to learn instruments to become a singer? Instruments kalibeka singer aglike.
Singer aglike instrument kalitre ಒಳ್ಳೆದು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. As I told, harmonium, keyboard or acoustic guitars ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿತ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, because you can become an independent musician in future also. And ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರುತಿ ಜ್ಞಾನ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಿಂದ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಗರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. You should be well versed with everything. It is not like olden days where Mohammad Rafi, Kishore Kumar used to go and just sing. Now you should be a technician also. You should know how to record a song. You should know how to mix a song. You should know how to program a song. This is actually every singer, top singers nowadays knows everything. I got a wonderful advice from a very accomplished singer, Nakul Abhyankar anta. Avaru Chennai li irtare. He is a very famous singer. So he told me that being a singer only is not enough. You should have your own studio. I am telling about a professional singer. ನಿಮ್ಮ own studio ಇರಬೇಕು, ನೀವೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್.
Yes. Namrata Jain has a question, sir. Any song you suggest for beginners? Any song that they should practice and sing for beginners?
I think there are many songs like ನಾನು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ನಂಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. There are some songs which gives you vocal exercise. For example, ಈಗ ಒಂದ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಹಾಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಲಾವಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಲಿ ಸುವಲಾಲಿ ಮಳಿ ಲಲ 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 ಇದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮೈನ್ಯೂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಗಮಕ. ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಮ್ ಜೋ ಮಿಲ್ ಗಯೆ ಹೋ तो ये लगता है ये जहां मिल गया. ಸೊ ಚೂಸ್ ಎ ಸಾಂಗ್. ಈ ತರ ಹಾಡು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಗಮಕಗಳು, ಆ ಪಿಚ್, ಅದೇ ಪುನಃ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಬಾಲಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯಂ ಅವರ ಹಾಡು ಕೇಳಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಹಾಡೇ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೇಳೋದಲ್ಲ, 2 ಇಯರ್ ಹೆಡ್ಫೋನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಕಣ್ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಕೇಳಿ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕಲಿಸಿ.
You make it sound so easy, sir. Yeah. Samriddhi Bairi, she keeps repeatedly asking this question. I didn't understand, but maybe you'll understand. Please give informations about renditions. Is it important in every kind of songs?
Just now I told rendition is what I think she's telling
Bhava.
about Bhava rendition or gamakas or rendition.
Renditions.
Rendition can be anyway. Rendition is presentation.
Okay. Yeah, presentations. Yes, yes.
Presenting a song depends on the type of song. As I told, melody has its own way of presenting, classical has its own way of presenting, and the fast song has its own way of presenting. And your body movements, your body language also is important when you are singing on stage. So I think rendition will be complete once you have a proper body movement also, and your even your facial expressions, everything will help. For me, actually, when singing melody songs, I close my eyes. I don't know, it started with Saregama. I started closing my eyes, which is not very good, but whenever I feel I have to give more bhava or something, I just put my head down and I close my eyes.
I think she means gamaka. That's what she's written. Gamaka. Is it important? Yes.
Very important. I think you will be judged based on gamaka. Definitely I know esteemed judges in this your competition also will look at gamakas. That is very, very important. So I think you have to learn that. You will learn that by going to classical singing or listening to a lot of songs.
Okay, sir. Now there are a lot of requests for you to sing. So we'll end by you singing and then we'll go for the next.
Which song?
Any song of your choice. Yeah, I think English. Yeah, and now like sing a song, sir. Sing a song, sir. They're like coming into the chat box messages.
English I'll sing last.
English. Okay, okay.
I think Hindi I can sing. Hindi I'll sing one song, which I used to sing a lot actually in competitions. So
Okay.
being a competition based,
Mhm.
this is to go and get prizes.
Okay. So listen, children. This is the song which has fetched lot of prizes for Dr. Abhishek. So keep a note of it.
Song very commonly in India, and also I sang this song. So this shows my range. So this is like song from movie Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, sung by K. So you must very famous song. तड़प तड़प के इस दिल, तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में, तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में, अजब है इश्क पल पल की खुशियाँ, गम के खजाने में तन्हाइयां, कभी आंसू कभी आहे, कभी शिकवे कभी नारे, तेरा चेहरा नजर आए, तेरा चेहरा नजर आए, मुझे दिन के उजालों में तेरी यादें तड़पाए, सिसक सिसक के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में. So this song I used to sing a lot in competitions, because in this I could show my range, my bhava, and there is something called as very important vibratos. I think
Yeah.
vibrato, how to control vibratos also I learned a lot while singing this song, because vibratos is something like to lut gaye, that is called as vibratos. What I did, you can sing it plain also, like to lut gaye, that is plain. So but if you add a little bit of vibratos, it will make your song more better. So make sure that you add the vibratos only half of the alap. The ending of the landing of the alap should be without vibratos. So this is how I used to sing. That's one of the Hindi song I used to sing. Coming to Kannada song, I think I sang Sonu Nigam's. I sing some SP Balasubramanian song.
ನಾನ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಅವರೇ.
SP ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಐಡಲ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಸರಿಗಮಪನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನೇ ಸಾಕಿದಾಗಿಣಿ. ನಂದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ನೀವು ಹಾಡಿದ್ದ ಅದ ಕಾಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್.
Very similar to this song actually.
ಹೌದು, ಹೈ ರೇಂಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಕಾರಣ ಅದ ತರ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಪೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಫೀಲ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಮಿ ಟು ಸಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಸಾಂಗ್ ನೀನೇ ಸಾಕಿರಾಗಿರಿ, ನಿನ್ನ ಮುದ್ದಿನಾಗಿಡಿ, ಹದ್ದಾಗಿ ಕುಕ್ಕಿತಲ್ಲೋ, ನಿನ್ನ ಹದ್ದಾಗಿ ಕುಕ್ಕಿತಲ್ಲೋ, ಹದ್ದಾಗಿ ಕುಕ್ಕಿತಲ್ಲೋ, ನಿನ್ನ ಹದ್ದಾಗಿ ಕುಕ್ಕಿತಲ್ಲೋ, ಹೂವಾಗಿ ಅರಳಿ ಹಾವಾಗಿ ಕೆರಳಿ, ಹೂವಾಗಿ ಅರಳಿ ಹಾವಾಗಿ ಕೆರಳಿ, ಪ್ರಾಣವ ಹಿಂಡಿತಲ್ಲೋ, ಪ್ರಾಣವ ಹಿಂಡಿತಲ್ಲೋ, ಎದೆಯೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಡಿತಲ್ಲೋ, ನೀನೇ ಸಾಕಿದಾಗಿಣಿ, ನಿನ್ನ ದಿನಾಗಿಣಿ.
ವಾ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದಾಯ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡಾಯ್ತು. ನೀವು ಅದು ಗಾನಾ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಆ ಹಾಡು ಯಾವ್ದು ನೀವು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? ಆಶಾ ಭೋಸ್ಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಹಾಡಿರೋದು ವಿ ವರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಡುಗಳು ಕೇಳಾಯ್ತು. ಆ ಹಾಡು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವೈ ವಾಸ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಸಚ್ ಅ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹೌದು, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನನ್ಗೆ ದಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಇವನ್ ನನ್ಗೂ ಈಗಲೂ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು ಅದು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ವೈ ಐ ಚೋಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸಾಂಗ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಆಸ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್. ನನಗೆ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟೇ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್. ನಾನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಹಮ್ ದೋನೋ, ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ರಫೀಕ್ ಸಾಂಗ್, ಚಾಹುಂಗಾ ಮೇ ತುಜೆ ಸಾಂಜ್ ಸವೇರೆ. ಅದು ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಯಂಗ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಸಾಂಗ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲುಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಫಾದರ್. चाहूंगा मैं तुझे सांझ सवेरे, फिर भी कभी अब नाम को तेरे आवाज मैं न दूंगा, आवाज मैं न दूंगा, चाहूंगा मैं तुझे सांझ सवेरे. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಐ ಸ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್. Judges also were happy, madam was happy, everyone was happy. But when I sang Charana, I screwed it up. That's like Dard bhi tu, chain bhi tu, taras bhi tu, nain bhi tu. Ali nandu, now I am singing it very easily, but I think because of the pressure and because I was singing in front of Sunidhi Chauhan, Salim Merchant, and everybody, I don't know, I didn't sing that gamaka well. I can sing it very well now. That's the thing. That's what pressure can make you do. And that was my first reality show. Maybe ನಾನೀಗ ಒಂದು 3 ವರ್ಷ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ I think I wouldn't have done that. But I screwed up in the gamaka. As I told, gamaka is very important. So I didn't get that 100%. I think I got it 50%. So there's where they stopped me and they're like, I think you need more training, and that's where I lost that. And the worst part was that is the reason I was 26 that time, and just before I went to Saregamapa, I was 33. ಆಗ ನನಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಐಡಲ್ ಇಂದ ಕಾಲ್ ಬಂತು, ಅವರೇ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, because I was Voice of Bangalore finalist. So they called me directly. I was selected again, but I was last moment I was fully prepared this time, but I was rejected because of my age. So aವಾಗ opportunity ittu, I was not well prepared, but when I was well prepared, I didn't get the opportunity.
ಅದು ಆ ಸಾಂಗಿನ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇದಾಗಿರೋ ಕಾರಣ ನೀವು ಈಗ ವಿನ್ನರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪುಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ದಟ್. ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ.
ಅದು ಈಗಲೂ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತು, ಬೇರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್, ಐ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಗಮಕ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಮೇಬಿ ನಾನು ಕಲ್ತು ಕೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಐ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಮೈ ವೀಕ್ನೆಸ್. I had good strengths, but my weakness was all these small variations, which I maybe overcome during my all these years. Saregamapa, Voice of Bangalore, it helped me.
Thank you so much, Dr. Abhishek. And we are very much definitely very happy having you here with us for such a long time. ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆ ಅವರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸಿಂಗರ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಿಹಾರ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ರು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಮೆಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಹಾರ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್, ಇನ್ನು ಬರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್.
Little Rock ಅಲ್ಲಿ he was my classmate, where Nihar was very good friend of mine. Iglu we keep talking about music. One of the main person who actually influenced me to become an independent artist. That's the reason he was very influential on me for that. So ade godaaytu nange ninne I think monne this one.
ಹೌದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಬ್ರು ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ವಾಣಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅವರಿಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರ ಮಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್, ಅವರ ಮಗ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನಿಮ್ಮ
Little Rock.
ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಏನೇ ಆದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನೆವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ವೆನ್ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
Krishna Ramkumar was extraordinary academically and even extra co-curricular activities. So he used to be there for all inter-school competitions. So ನಾನು singing ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, he used to go for all literary and even cultural part. So we have very good fond memories.
This is our madam whose son is
I know Ramkumar sir is my guru in anesthesia. So we always, we follow them, they're our idols.
I think our children are definitely happy seeing their idol in front of them, Dr. Abhishek Rao, and we are very, very happy that you have spent so much of time with us together. I hope we meet you very soon with some music concerts here with the Nihar, you and some other mentors also in future. Thank you so much for being with us. And now it is time for us to thank everybody, and I ask Mrs. Nandini to take over.
Yes, now I'll complete the formality of the formal vote of thanks. Good evening, everyone. I am Nandini Bhatt, member of Manipal Mahila Samaj, present here to deliver the vote of thanks thanks. Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Abhishek, respected members of Manipal Mahila Samaj, contestants, and all the participants for joining today's Zoom meeting. On behalf of Manipal Mahila Samaj Organizing Committee, I would like to express my gratitude to all the esteemed guests for their presence and contribution on making this session a great success. Today's day was really a day of learning. I extend my gratitude to our chief guest musician, Dr. Abhishek, who took time out from his busy schedule to grace the event. Thank you for inspiring and encouraging us with your words on this special day and also patiently answering the questions posed by the contestants. It was full of knowledge and remarkable learnings. It gave deep insights into the topic and also revealed some fascinating facts. A special thanks to Dr. Spurti, member of Mahila Samaj, for conducting the interview session in such a professional manner. I thank Krapa, Deepa ma'am, Meeta for providing immense support in making the talk successful. I extend my gratitude to Pallavi, Sona, Rekha, who helped organize the webinar even amidst the pandemic. I must thank the organizing team, volunteers for working hard for the past few days to iron out the details. A special gratitude to all our sponsors who have donated heartily to the cause of inspiring and motivating young talent in the area. In the end, what can I say? Dr. Abhishek, we are happy we are living in the same era as you. May God bless you with success and fortune in both professions that you have chosen. We are sure you will make every Urpi and Manipalite proud. There was a YouTube comment on your video, which I really liked. You have mastered the art of both Behoshi and Madhoshi. Okay. The art of Behoshi, and with your songs, you have always made us Madhosh. Okay. So I thank you each and all once again for making this event a great success and participating today. Thank you.
Children, I would like to say, those who are there in the group still, there is a feedback form which has been sent to your email IDs or the mobiles which you were registered with. So please give us your feedback about both the programs, and we will definitely see to it if at all we need to go for further improvement. Definitely, we are open for it, and heartfully please give us your feedback. Thank you so much. And I think children, you can all leave the meet. Thank you everybody once again.
Thank you, Dr. Abhishek. It was an excellent program.
Thank you, and all the best to all the children. And just a competition. Don't take it very seriously. Enjoy the show. That is very important. Enjoy the show. Right, and don't take it to your brain. And if you lose the competition, also don't take it to your heart and stop singing or something, because singing is a long process. It's like lifelong. I'm one of the example for that. So you can keep singing, keep practicing. So there's only one life. So do what you like. Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you.